Hi, Eddie. Hey, I just wanted to send you a short introductory video to our class so that you can finish up your fluids class from the summer in a timely fashion. So there are just a couple of little things. I know I'm not going to go over the syllabus with you in detail because you've had classes from me and so you know the drill, but I did want to show you a couple of things. The first is when you get into your student portal and you come over here to the Moodle logo on the right hand side, you may or may not have our class together underneath the Moodle logo. So if it appears here, just click on it, but if it doesn't, click on the Moodle logo itself, and then you'll get a list of all the courses that you have taken recently, I think, but one of them will be 19 Summer Fluid Mechanics. So you want to click on that one because that's where all this stuff is. So what I've done, I've put up a new syllabus for the class, which is actually somewhere, she says, right there. Okay, and it says it's for the summer of 2019 because that's when the class started. But if you take a look at this syllabus, what you'll find is if we go to the first page, it's the same sort of information that we go over in all of our classes together. But basically, like it says, the schedule here is extended for you to complete it by December 13th, which is the last day of finals week. Now, I just want to be really, I just really want to reiterate that these deadlines are approximate. You're not going to lose credit if you turn things in late. The only two relatively firm deadlines to get us through the class so that I can get it transcripted for you for this, so that it'll be ready to go, so that you'll be ready to go in the spring semester. The only real deadline is that everything be done by the 13th of December. Now, the midterm I have as a deadline of the October 14th, and that just corresponds with our midterm here with the other classes. The actual midterm deadline is Friday the 11th, so the 14th just gives us the weekend. Then what I've listed are the homework assignments, which there are 10 of actually, because there's 9 chapters plus the pretest. Then there are 2 quizzes, which are not proctored, but they are timed, so you'll take them on Moodle with a time limit. And then the midterm exam and the final exam. So I've written out which vodcasts go with which homework assignment. And so what you need to, and all of the material is available on the Moodle page. So you do not have to buy a textbook. I did want to let you know, if you like having a hard copy of the textbook, I have several and I would be happy to loan one to you. All the material is available on our web page, on our Moodle page, but if you prefer a hard copy, just come to my office and I will give you one. So there's a homework template, which you're familiar with because from the other classes that you've had with me, but it just shows you how I like the homework to come in. And then the first homework would be a math concepts pretest, which is really just a review. It's open notes, open book, but it's just to get you ready for the level of math in this class. And if you have any issues that are not clear to you on that test, that it would give you a place to go back and study so that you'll be ready once again for the class. Now, once again, submit buttons are where the homework will be submitted. And something new that I started this summer was doing a couple of quizzes. So there's a quiz chapter 1 and 2, and I have once again a deadline, which is just in place to get us through this material by the end of the semester. But every homework assignment has a submit button, and then there are 2 quizzes, and then of course the midterm and the final. Now the midterm and the final are proctored, so you'll probably just want to make an appointment with me. You can certainly have another person proctor for you, but it's easier if you and I just see each other face to face for that particular time. So anyway, like I said, if you stick to these deadlines, or a day, either way, that will put you in line to finish this so that we can get your grade transcripted, ready to go, and you'll be all squared away. If you have any trouble, you're not going to lose credit for having anything submitted late. So since the last day of our finals is listed as December 13th, that's also going to be the deadline for the final in this class. So that's it. This little short recording of less than 6 minutes is just the introductory information. You know where my office is, and you have my email address, so please contact me anytime you have trouble, and we will move forward from there. So best of luck in the new semester, and we'll talk to you later.